Hello everyone, this is Dr. Gurmeet and welcome to the platform of Cures and Recovery. So the two most common ailments that have been come across and have been told to me by my patients are relating to the musculoskeletal system and the digestive system. If we speak of the musculoskeletal system, people have been complaining in great numbers of frozen shoulder, lower back pain and general body ache. And because we are to discuss the digestive issues today, so the symptoms which have been told to me by my patients were, first was that there was a feeling of discomfort or pain and a heaviness below the region of the chest in the upper abdominal cavity in the epigastric region, somewhere here. They also complained of a heaviness in the region of the chest and sometimes a burning sensation in the middle of the chest. There was a burning sensation in the stomach, a severe burning, which was usually felt going up through the food pipe and up till the throat, so much so that it made the swallowing of food difficult. So, going to the severer form of symptoms, people have also complained of breathlessness and discomfort in the chest, usually during sleep and after evenings. Talking about the milder symptoms being reported, they are sensation of heaviness in the abdomen, heaviness in the stomach, bloating of abdomen, feeling of fullness, heavy sensation and decreased appetite, feeling nauseatic or vomiting and retching. So these were the symptoms of acidity, heartburn and acid reflux. The causes of acidity, if we look into that, understanding the physiology of the system, the stomach lining, it produces the gastric acid, and the gastric acid is produced to digest the proteins. So anyone who is having a high protein diet without any carbohydrates or without complementing it with fiber is bound to suffer with high acid levels. Secondly, patients who have high calcium levels in their blood are prone to suffer from acidity. So be careful when you pop in the supplement pills next time, because you should check your levels before consuming the supplements, the calcium supplements, and decide if they are needed by the body or not. Talking about the acid reflux, it usually happens when the acids which are produced in the stomach, they go up, they move upwards towards the food pipe. This usually occurs because of the weakness of the muscles of the lower esophageal sphincter. Because of the weakness of the muscles, the stomach is not able to hold the food down, and the acid, it rushes upwards into the food pipe. Or hiatus hernia is one other condition which causes acid reflux. That is also due to the weakness of the muscles of the diaphragm. This is a muscle layer present between the chest and the abdomen. Contributing factors are eating a very spicy and oily food, or going to bed immediately after eating a meal, or having very heavy meals, or overeating, being obese. So these are the some factors that usually aggravate the situation. To management and treatment, regarding the management part, reducing your weight, having a balanced meal, having a lot of fiber in your diet, then keep at least a 3-hour difference between the meal and your sleep. Do not lie immediately after having a heavy meal. The muscles of your body strong. Keep exercising to reduce the acidic levels in your body. Have more of alkaline foods. Regarding the treatment, homeopathic treatment has had a very good prognosis in the treatment of acidity, heartburn and acid reflux. We take into account the symptoms of the patient and their lifestyle, their habits and the emotional state, because stress is another important factor that causes increased gastric acid secretion. because the gastric acid secretion is regulated by the autonomic nervous system. So prolonged stress definitely causes formation of gastric ulcers in the long run. Then homeopathic medicines treat the disease from the roots, and it regulates the acid secretion and it corrects your system. Homeopathic medicines reduce your dependency on the antacids, and medicines are non-habit forming and they are very safe. If you're suffering from acidity or acid reflux, please do go and try for homeopathic medicines, because we have got excellent prognosis in the treatment of acidity and gastric reflux. That was all for today. Thank you so much for bearing up with me, and if there are any queries or doubts, please list them in the comment section below. Thank you so much. God bless.